Okay, I'm going to demonstrate for you how to put regular nail strips on and how to put the French manicure on. So the first thing you want to do is push your cuticles back and file your nails, which I've already done. And then you'll want to use an alcohol prep pad to clean the nails off really well. Normally I would do all of my nails, but since I'm just going to do a few, I'm just going to do these four. So to give you a demonstration on how to do one of our glitter polishes, you'll open up your package and you'll have two sizes in the twosies. You'll have other sizes if you order a whole set, and you'll want to look to see which size fits your nail the best. One thing to know is that the ends closest to the tabs are actually a little wider than the ends on the tips. So you will peel the clear plastic off, and then you will pull the tab off. And it's okay to touch it, the sticky part, it's not going to hurt anything. And you'll want to pull that tab off. And to get really good control, you'll want to hold it somewhat in the middle and position it. I want to make sure I'm in the camera here. Position it on the nail. Then I like to make sure that it covers both sides, and it does. Okay, and then after I've pressed it down real well, I'll just tuck the strip underneath and use my thumb to perforate the polish. Of course, it rips off very easily. And then I will take this side, and you can actually, if you think you might need to stretch it just a little bit, you can stretch it. They're 95% dry, so they're still pretty pliable. And then I just flip this side over so that I can still use it, since some of my nails are still short enough to use both ends of the strips. And if you see a little of your nail here, you can lift it up and then just stretch it over to cover that nail. They're very easy to work with. And then I just push it on and use my nail to kind of perforate. I like to kind of bring it around the edge of the nail. Okay, and then anything left around the cuticle, you can just pick it away with your thumbnail, or you could use a cuticle stick. And over here, I know I had some extra on this side. This one was a little bigger, so I would just use my thumbnail to perforate the edge and pull that away. I need to do this one a little, sorry. Not in the camera. Then you want to take your alcohol pad and you want to wipe it off to get a what we call sealing it. And you might even have like a little on the edges that you might still need to clean up. But for the most part, that is how you put your strips on. They're really easy. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration with the French. It'll come, if you order the French pack, it'll come with the overlay and then the tip. So again, you're going to want to pull these apart and then measure the ones that are best for your nail. That one's going to probably be a little short for that nail. Of course, these are just the samples or accent nails, so I'll use this one. There's a couple ways to get more uses out of this full strip. You can use a punch, which I do have. but since I'm just kind of showing you, I wanted to. So you take the white and you position it over however far down you like the white. As some people like it a lot further down, some just like a tip. I prefer the white because as it grows out, you can file the tips and it looks fresh again. So you just kind of stick it on the edge there. And you know, I'm not 100% sure I like that, so I'm just gonna lift it up here. Oh, sorry. Okay. And then I'm gonna fix it because that's one thing that's nice is it's not permanent. Once it's on, you can kind of move it around for a second. Okay, so then I'm gonna bring the edges around again and perforate with my thumbnail. Okay, and then I will take the clear overlay and I will put that over here. And then again, bring this over the edge. Get this one down here, kind of perforate it. And there is my French tip. And I know some people probably would think that was a little too much white. I like a lot of white. And then you'll want to take your alcohol pad and seal it. And these should last up to 14 days.